Volkswagen Atlas 2024 debuts, refreshes technology and appearance. As part of the 2024 model year updates, the 3-row Atlas and 2-row Atlas Cross debuted with new facelifts and upgraded powertrain options at this year's Chicago Auto Show. The new styling starts at the front with larger LED headlamps wrapping around a mesh grille which strips away most of last year's faux chrome accents and is replaced with black. A fancy light bar now spans the bonnet just above the illuminated Volkswagen logo, connected to the headlights, all new for 2024. A slightly larger roof spoiler exits the rear of both models and a sizable taillight extends across the trunk lid. Nearly every version of the Atlas and Atlas Cross had new lighting equipment except for the base trim, which was sufficient with standard taillights on every corner. Each Atlas also gets a new wheel design for 2024. Sizes range from 18 to 20 inches, depending on the specs you want, with the sporty R line opting for 21-inch aluminum wheels. The Atlas R-Line also adopts the unique R-Line badge and glossy black accents dotted around the exterior, and the 2024 Atlas also has nicer materials inside, with the dashboard and center console opting for high-quality faux leather over hard plastic. The same goes for the door panels, which sport new materials at the front and rear. And the top trim Atlas model offers upholstered leather seats with a diamond stitch pattern. A 12.0-inch, floating, touchscreen replaces last year's 10.3-inch unit, and a new 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits directly in front of the driver. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard throughout the cabin, and the refreshed cabin also offers wireless charging with 6 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports so everyone can charge. When it comes to safety, VW's IQ driver assistance technology now comes as standard across all models. That includes things like lane centering, lane keeping assistance, and automatic braking. Adaptive cruise control is still an added feature, as is the head-up display. But the biggest change beyond the new look and updated interior is the powertrain. Atlas ditched last year's VR6 engine option and replaced it with the standard 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The engine produces 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque while matching the V6's towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. An 8-speed automatic transmission is the only transmission, and front-wheel drive comes as standard while 4-motion all-wheel drive is available as an option. The 2024 Atlas will hit dealerships later this year, and the Volkswagen will announce pricing details closer to the sales date, and we expect a slight increase from the 2023 Atlas, which starts at $36,445, 552 million Indonesian rupiahs, with shipping included. Atlas Cross 2023 is priced at $35,755 United States dollars, 541 million Indonesian rupiahs.